Hey guys, we're here at Rochester Junction in Monroe County. It's a Monroe County park. I'm going to show you around a little bit, show you what it's all about. So this park is part of the Lehigh Valley Trail, which runs through my town here, and it runs a good portion along Honeoye Creek and through western New York. I can't find a great map of anything, so you know, it's out there, but take a look around, see what you find. So this is the old train platform. There used to be a train that came through, and Rochester Junction was a key point for people going to Rochester to get off and switch, I guess. You can see they have a bunch of old train cars over here. And we'll show you a couple other things from the old train yard. And they also have kind of an imitation train depot. It says Freight House, but it does have two restrooms, some drinking fountains. The restrooms are open to the public. They're unlocked now. I don't know if they keep them unlocked all the time though. They always plant a nice garden along here. It's starting to come in. Not a lot of flowers at the moment, but there are some. So we have here some information about the trail and the town here. I think we're still in Rush. This might be Mendon here, I'm not sure. Interlocking tower. Apparently there was a tower there at some point. I have no idea what that is. Looks like the door to a train car or something. Alright, so the trail splits here. This is a nature trail over this way, so we're gonna go to the right. It says, it's hard to read. I think it's Great Bend. Yeah, Great Bend Nature Park. Here's part of the creek here. I don't know if this is the main branch or not. Doesn't seem to be moving much. Alright, one thing you want to watch out for in my area is poison ivy. So you can see the little hairs coming off it. You have 3 leaves in groups of 3 with little like dog ears on each one. So you'll see it going up the trees. A lot of times it'll be a way bigger, hairier vine. You'll also see it down here along the ground. So see if we can find some real young ones for you as an example. Here's some smaller ones. All right, so this is Virginia creeper here. It's another vine that's often found with poison ivy, and it's easily confused for poison ivy. So what you want to look for is the creeper has 5 leaves in its groups. If we go right over here next door, you'll see we're back to the poison ivy, and you can see sometimes the poison ivy, the dog ears aren't that obvious, so watch for that too. Another little caterpillar here. Not sure what kind. It might be a gypsy moth because we get those. Last year we had quite an explosion of them, so let him go. All right, we're on the way back now, so we're gonna take this other trail that we skipped before, and that should meet back up where we split off before. So here's some common milkweed, and that's really good for the monarch butterflies. They exclusively lay their eggs on that. So when you see that, leave it alone. It's good for the butterflies.
Oh, that's...
And there's a dead snake. So you will see snakes along this path on occasion, especially on cooler days. They'll come out here in the sun to warm up. I've never seen a poisonous snake in this area, although we do have timber rattlers not too far south from here. So, you know, there's always a chance, but 99.99% of the time, any snakes around here are going to be harmless. Just leave them alone if you don't like them. Just don't kill them. I love walking through this area here with the hills and the open forest. It's really nice, pretty. But again, don't walk through it because there's a ton of poison ivy in here. If you guys listen close, you'll hear a thrush back in there. I believe it's a wood thrush. There he goes. Well, here we are back at Junction. This is where we split off before and went down the nature trail portion. Not a lot of difference between the nature trail and the regular trail, if you ask me. But that's pretty much the park. So we're heading back towards the car now. One thing that's nice in this park, they put a lot of these bluebird houses out. I had actually never seen a bluebird my whole life until about 3 years ago, and right on top of that box is where I saw my first one. Since then I've seen plenty, but you know, being a bird watcher, you would have thought that I had seen one before now. I've been watching birds probably about 8 years seriously, and just there was never a bluebird around. But here we are back at the platform. We're gonna walk over and wrap this up. All right guys, so that's the park. I hope you enjoyed the video. Today's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all of you watching. Please like, subscribe. If you've watched this far, go ahead and subscribe. You'll like my other videos too. But have a great day, and we'll see you soon.